Have some compassion, guys. Like, God damn it.
Where's their compassion for us, eh?
Tensions ran high in this disorganized blockade. Although the message was about reunion, it was the wrong kind of welcome to Nova Scotia.
The expectation is open it up to the Atlantic bubble like we were told. Until then, we sit.
The blockade stopped hospital staff from getting to work. More than 100 appointments were cancelled. Medical supplies were caught in the jam. The protests closed the Trans-Canada for more than 24 hours. As the second night of protests started, police moved in. A standoff followed. At least 2 arrests were made. The Nova Scotia Premier condemned the blockade.
I think it's reckless.
A week ago, New Brunswick opened to the rest of the country to anyone with 1 dose of vaccine. In response, Nova Scotia said it would require different lengths of isolation based on New Brunswickers' vaccination status. Those rules won't apply to people coming from PEI and Newfoundland, which haven't fully opened to Canada yet. But Premier Ian Rankin is asking for patience.
Dr. Chang and the public health team asked for another week. I think we have a duty to ensure that safety is the #1 priority.
New Brunswick's Premier Blaine Higgs is offering to share more information about incoming travellers if Nova Scotia drops the quarantine requirements. In Halifax, the Provincial Hotel Association says it's already feeling the impact, some hotels seeing 50% of their bookings for this weekend cancel.
And we've asked government to communicate with us as far in advance as possible. And these decisions just cripple us.
Some are willing to be patient. This man's been separated from his New Brunswick family for 18 months. Despite that, he's in favor of the Nova Scotia Premier's call.
He made the tough but ultimately right choice.
Premier Ian Rankin says he's considering New Brunswick's proposal, but he won't rush the public health decision, and he believes a deal between the provinces can be reached soon. Shayna Luck, CBC News, Halifax.